So after the small videos we just watched, what is your favorite character in the whole story?
For me, among these characters, I like Zoba Benz because he's very kind and responsible. He doesn't. He keeps his promise. He doesn't eat cannot egg. He take care for seagull, baby, Lucky, and he teaches her to fly.
Yeah, very kind, very responsible.
He's very dedicated.
Yeah.
And everyone, these personalities are necessary for everyone.
Yeah, very excellent answers. So next to you, what's the feeling from you that evokes from this story?
I have mixed feeling after going through this story. First is angry because the death of Keagle is by the human hand that made the oil spill all the ocean.
Yeah.
And then a little sweetness come from the couple of Lucky and Zoba, especially when she call him mommy, that make it all turn pink.
Yeah.
And a little worried too. I was very worried when she failed the first flight, and I thought she would give up at any time.
But luckily he doesn't. She doesn't. Right. Yeah, very excellent answers. So the next question for you is, what if you had a chance to meet the author? What questions would you ask him?
If I have a chance to ask an author, I will ask him where did he find the inspiration and what message did he want to express to
Yeah, you're very curious, right? Yeah. So the final questions, like, what is the aims of the authors in writing the stories? What do you think the aim is?
I think he want to tell that. I think I want to say that you must always keep your promise, no matter how hard it be to accomplish it. No matter how hard obstacle you have to overcome, and how fast you have to go, you must always keep your promise.
Yeah, because promise can never be break, right? And
So we are team 5 and
we are team number 5,
Yes.
and our favorite quote is
but
only those dare who smile.